Hi everyone, good morning. It's raining. Before I start my video, please subscribe, share my video, like my video, and leave comment on comment section. Okay, as we know that our Earth facing a lot of phenomena such as flood, earthquake, eruption, or earthquake eruption, and then apart from that, tsunami, disaster, tornado, tornado, and other natural disaster, which is uh, directly or indirectly caused by human error. So I feel that we should have a video on that. So I today would like to do video on the global warming, which is caused by mainly by human activities around the world. As we concern that the global warming is one of the major cause of world politics, world problem. As human, we should gather to overcome or reduce the problem by having action to reduce the global warming. What is global warming? Global warming regarding as the human activities such as the omission of the carbon dioxide or the consumption of the fuel which is cause emission of carbon dioxide, even by coal using, which is giving coal, carbon dioxide, another fuel which is producing carbon dioxide in amount of larger quantity, which is causing the earth become warm, or which is trapping the sunlight to come to earth to produce or doing the natural natural phenomena, uh, is giving a negative or effect on the earth, which is causing global warming. The earth become hotter, and it cause acid rain and other effect of the carbon dioxide, which is also affect the agriculture, natural living, the oceanic creature, or the ecology of the ocean affected. So it's important to human to do something on that. So I would suggest that several steps, if taken purposely or nicely, it could improve our uh, earth to become a more natural and safer. First of all, we should reduce our dependence on the carbon dioxide or fuel consumption continuously. So it's important to all the government, private sectors, or multinational company to concern with this issue. So we should uh, try to find alternative way to overcome the consumption of the carbon dioxide or emission of carbon dioxide. So we know that the solar power one of the alternative of the uh, option which is we can use to reduce the global warming. Secondly, we should introduce the electric car, as we know there are so many companies producing more electric cars is become or can become a alternative way to reduce the global warming. So, other than that, human activities such as illegal logging or consumption of the timber or illegal clearance of the forest, which is can cause uh, even contribute to the global disaster as we call as global warming. So, and apart from the global warming, it also can cause the massive flood or unexpected massive flood, which is caused by the illegal logging or forest clearance, and for purpose of industrialization of the area is not only affecting the flora and fauna of the forest, but it is also give an effect on human being. So it's important to us to uh, consider and should have a reserved forest to maintain the ecology of the flora and fauna, and also to the future of the humankind. So it's depend on us how we going to deal with this in proper way, or strict imposition or a strict impose of a law and order to prevent such as activity can help to reduce the global warming and a massive flood. So we can see so many countries around the world facing massive flood and so many damages and life loss which is caused by the massive flood. So come to the third uh, uh, third step, which is taken by the government currently, but not enough to be curb the global warming and also the environmental pollution. We can call as uh, the usage of the pesticides or chemical in agriculture, and also the massive fishing by the fishing boat on sea to maximize the profit. So it's important to the government to impose a strict rule and law to make sure that the farmers did not use the maximum uh, which is harm the agriculture or can affect the environmental uh, environmental issues such as the killing of the flora and fauna, affecting the agriculture or poisoning the soil of the agriculture. So it's important that all the concerned parties to uh, bear in mind that the maximum profit by using the poisonous poisonous usage of the agriculture booster can cause massive loss in natural healthy environment. So it's important that all the include individual farmers and multinational companies should love the nature and and do not spoil the nature by using the poisonous method to maximize their profit. So we can conclude by these three steps, we can reduce at least 30% of the global warming and natural contamination by using the poisonous uh, booster to gain maximum profit by in agriculture. That's all for now. See you all next time. Thank you.